I love NQ so much. I love NQ so much. Don't you just love when we get this chopped ass price action? We do fucking nothing for 30 minutes straight and then stop you at break even and then run towards TP. Like, don't you just love when that happens? Like, oh my gosh, dude. What the fuck is this shit? Seriously, bro. This is not even funny anymore, dude. Anyways, I'm gonna try and get this shit over with. And so I can move on because it's actually an hour before market open Friday. This is a trade I took yesterday. Um, I mean, I didn't really like structure too much on the higher time frame. Really nothing in terms of live account plays, but this was a good eval trade. But this shit just, dude. I mean, fuck, bro. Like, I seriously don't understand why the fucking Q had to do all this shit. But anyways, let's get into the trade recap. So let's bring this back to 9. All right, so on the hourly, you can see we're clearly in a downtrend. We do have an SMT at this higher time frame low right there, Have an SMT, so I can see longs from here. Okay, NQ is inside of a 4-hour. So this was pretty much, I was gonna look to see if we inverse this, I can look to be bearish. If we respect this, I can look to be bullish. We are rejecting out of this, what's it called, 4-hour. On the hourly, rejecting from the hourly as well. Rejected from another hourly up there. And we do have an unfilled hourly above us, okay? And we also have this huge hourly below us. So it's kind of just a patience game, just waiting to see what we really are, because I can't determine if we're going to be bullish or bearish. There's not really any great targets to look for. So yeah, if we go down to the 15 minute, we bring this closer to market open. I mean, yeah, there's really just nothing A plus here to target. I don't like anything except for this untapped hourly up here. We also have these relatively equal highs right there. We do have an SMT at those highs, but that's whatever. My main idea behind this trade that I took was this untapped hourly. So let's actually see what happened, because I don't really remember. I just remember it was okay. So we dump pretty heavy here, off open, beautiful fair value gap there. We have decent. It's not super V shape, but it's a good delivery. I like it here. We have a 1 minute, 2 minute, a 3 minute, a 4 minute, and a 5 minute. Okay, and this is pretty important. So as you can see, this 5 minute clearly got inversed here. I believe ES had one as, never mind, just scratch that. But this 5 minute very clearly got inversed. I really like the idea of us at least coming to these relatively equal highs and then full TPing here at this untapped hourly. Now, since we are technically inside of a 3 minute, a 2 minute, and a 1 minute, I didn't like that. So me personally, I probably would have waited, or at least trying to get an entry, before we tap that. But yeah, I didn't want to take this 5 minute just purely off of this, because this is not really a good setup, in my opinion. I mean, it's decent. It's a good eval play, but in terms of live account, I mean, there's just a really big chance this shit could lose. So I actually took this entry. So I saw that we dumped, and then we didn't really we inversed this gap to the downside here, but we did respect. Never mind, we actually did not respect that. We inversed the 2 minute as well. Did we respect anything? We do respect that 3 minute. That's about it, bro. But since of course I'm not really leaning bearish, if anything, we just look bullish here. I don't know how to explain it. It's just my market experience, discretion, whatever. But I was willing to take this if we inverse this 30-second, which was over here. I have the 30-second put up on my other screen, so you can't even see it. But there was a 30-second here. Once that got inverse, I took that shit. Was gonna go break even here, and then ended up just holding and going break even all the way up here at these relatively equal highs. I was pretty confident those would get hit. Great displacement to the upside here. Boom, smack that high. Reverse, thinking I'm gonna get stopped here. Tap into this 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, and 4 minute. Well, I don't know about 4 minute actually. Okay, we tap into every single lower time frame for value gap except for the 5 minute. We generate a 5 minute. After this push up here, I'm really expecting price to just run through this high, because I mean there's no way this doesn't get hit, right? There's just no way. There's no way to reverse, go all the way up here just to edge this untapped hourly. So Had confidence in this. We ended up chopping here. Edge the 5 minute. Huge bull run to the upside. I figured this, this is the play. A 50-point candle to the upside. We're like, what? 14 points away from TP. ES is making equal lows here. So yeah, I really thought this was the one. And then, boom, huge candle back to the downside. And so here, I figured, all right, bet. Hit this 5 minute, get a reaction from here, and then finally run up here, right? That's what I was thinking, but no. I kind of just, dude, once this candle happened, it was fucking over, all right? Break even, come down, just chop here for a minute, and then we just get a bull run back to the upside. And I looked at this, and I was thinking about taking a re-entry here. I missed out, and I was like, dude, if this shit hits, I'm going to be fucking pissed. If I did take this, would have most definitely probably gone break even, and would have gotten break even there. And then we just chop, and then finally, what do you know? We smack TP. Like, why could we not have done this shit? 11:05. Literally, we've been chopping for fucking over an hour before we actually hit TP. I really don't know what the fuck NQ had planned for the day. Like, I really don't know. Did we even do anything, like, important here besides inverse gaps up and down and just fucking do bullshit? Because why did we inverse this 5 minute if we're not going to go lower? Please tell me why. I really, really want to know. Okay, I'm joking. Price is random, I know, but I mean, dude, fuck, this shit's so annoying. I mean, it's Eve out. I don't really care. The most annoying part is I sat here for like 30, 40, whatever minute, like around 30 minutes straight. 30 plus minutes actually straight. And I already saw how bad conditions were, and I was on the Discord, on the Discord stream, I was telling everyone, I'm planning on just, getting off 30 minutes after market open because I don't like conditions today. Like, I have to see something super A+ for me to take it. I really, really like this play here, and yeah, the fact that I could have just, if I would have known this shit would have got break even, or if it would have just hit either TP or break even or stop loss, whatever, within the first 10 minutes, I would have been fine. But the fact that shit literally made me wait this entire time, just like, oh my gosh, this shit was annoying. But anyways, hopefully we catch something today because we haven't caught nothing all week. I missed out on a setup on Tuesday because of my fucking alarm. And other than that, Monday and Wednesday didn't really have shit. I mean, Thursday I just did a recap on this one. So hopefully Friday we get something good. I want a live account play. I finally got my alpha live accounts back after that migration. I waited 2+ weeks just for that stupid trader platform, whatever, alpha trader platform, and it's so dog shit. It's genuinely so ass. I could have just, oh my gosh. All right, enough yapping. I'm gonna go do my analysis for the day, get ready, and hopefully catch a banger ass trade today. If I do, I'll make a recap, literally like right after it. So that's gonna be it, and I'm out. Peace.